Hey, aloha. This is Gato, yeah? Hey, this is my new friends, Denby and Stitch from Hawaii. They run the Pet HUI. It's one cool place for all kind of cool animals, yeah? And they got one special holiday gift for you, just from them. And it's free. It's a brand new fun product from a local Hawaiian inventor, just like me, Cat O. Oh, what's it called? It's called the Fantasy Cat Photo Software and E-Club Package that allows you to add your own face or even your own cat's face to 40 e-cards. Woohoo, that's cool, brah. So anyway, just remember, the first 200 people to Denby and Stitch's Facebook page in Hawaii gonna receive the free Fantasy Cat software. And look for me, Cato. Hoo-hoo. Aloha. Tiny pieces in my cheese. Make me happy, oh yeah. Make me feel so pleased. Aloha from Denby Stitch and me, Cato.